If you've ever used hand tools for years so you know just how much you appreciate an air compressor, go ahead and smash that like button. Next thing I'm going to do is remove the air intake box. That clip was broken, so that took me a while. Oh yeah. You have one clip on the top here, and then you have one on the underside for your air intake. You'll need to loosen one 10mm bolt right here to get the intake out. You're going to detach this hose from the valve cover. Just go ahead and pull it off. And then the air intake box should just lift straight up and out. Please subscribe, because in the future I'm going to be doing a rebuild on a V8 Hemi. We've already got the block and the heads down at a shop in Ogden, getting port and polished and honed. So please stick around for that.